The Ediloca 1TB NVMe SSD EN705 delivers very fast sequential performance that makes operating systems, games, and creative applications feel noticeably more responsive than with older solid-state drives or hard drives. Its support for PCI Express Generation 4x4 and the M.22280 form factor means it drops easily into modern desktops, laptops, and PlayStation 5 consoles without needing adapters. Dynamic single-level cell caching and three-dimensional triple-level cell flash help this drive sustain high transfer rates during long game installs, project renders, and large file copies. Thoughtful thermal management, including a heat-spreading design and controller-level protections, keeps temperatures in check so performance remains stable under heavy gaming or workstation loads. Endurance figures that reach hundreds of terabytes written, along with support for modern monitoring and error correction technologies, make this solid-state drive a reassuring choice for long-term data use. Ediloca rounds out the package with a multi-year warranty, clear installation accessories, and responsive technical support, which together make the EN705 feel like a well-supported upgrade rather than just a bare drive.